Hey guys, Jeremy Jacobowitz here from Brunch Boys. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, this is all about my food adventures all over the world, but today I'm in my apartment because I am cooking for you today. I've been trying to find the best pancake recipe. I've done a couple of different iterations. We started with a zucchini ricotta pancake and then went to blueberry ricotta pancake, and now we're taking it to the next level. I am making a raspberry lemon ricotta pancake. I feel this one. It's gonna be a little similar to other pancakes, but obviously switching out some ingredients, learning from my mistakes from before, and hopefully coming up with another pancake or an even better pancake for you. That's what I want. I want you guys to eat good and feel good. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get to it. Okay, so into a bowl, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of ricotta cheese, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk. Feel free to use whatever milk you want. I am using macadamia milk because that is what I have in my fridge and that's what I like drinking. Dealer's choice. All right, now we're just gonna give it a mix. Okay, so now is where the fun part comes in. I'm going to be adding both the zest of lemon and lemon juice. And then we're gonna be adding our fresh raspberries. All right, now we're just gonna mix. And you know, if the raspberries are breaking up a little bit, it's okay. I don't really want them to stay whole anyway. I really want them to be running throughout the entire pancake, so we are good. All right, so now the batter is looking good. We are going to start cooking it on a flat top, which I just put a little bit of butter onto. All right, here we go. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let these cook. As soon as it starts to bubble around the edges, I'm going to give it a check. If we're good, we are going to give them a flip. Okay, these are looking good. Okay, so now that the pancakes are ready, I actually have a syrup here I've been reducing on the stove. This is a mixture of fresh raspberries, sugar, water, 2-to-1 ratio, water to sugar, zest of a lemon, and lemon juice. I brought it up to a boil, then let it simmer to reduce down. I also, in the middle of it, strained it just because there's so many little tiny seeds on those raspberries. You don't really want them in the syrup, so strain them. Kept letting it reduce until I found the consistency that I wanted, and we are looking good. So we're gonna put this right on top of the pancakes. Here we go. All right. All right, the best part. Let's eat. First of all, there is nothing like the texture of the ricotta pancake. It's like light and dense at the same time, just like that really nice bite. I love the texture of it. And the flavors are really nice too. There's so much balance in here of the tartness and the natural sweetness you're getting. The tartness both from the raspberries and the lemons, and the sweetness from the fruit and the sugar we added. It just all really comes together for an awesome bite. Whoa. The raspberry and lemon flavor coming together too. They complement each other really nicely. They're both sort of on the same spectrum. I like the tartness more than I'm ever gonna like the sweetness. So I think having both in here really leans it more on that side. The ricotta too, like it leans away from being like an overly sweet, sugary pancake into just more of like a complex balanced bite. I'm happy with this right here. All right. I made a mess in my kitchen. That's why I don't like cooking. I love eating and I love coming up with these recipes. Oh, but it's so much easier when I cook in someone else's kitchen that someone else cleans for me, you know? All right, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think about this recipe. Are you gonna make this at home? Does this do it for you? Do you feel this recipe? More importantly, hit the like button, subscribe, because there's always way more videos I'm putting up every single week of vlogs and recipes and food and travel and all this fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. I gotta get this away from me, so stop eating. Bye.